How to edit a campaign in Google Ads after launch. First, open your campaigns. Sign into Google Ads, click Campaigns in the left sidebar, then select the campaign you want to edit. Step 2. Choose what you want to edit. After opening the campaign, choose the section you want to modify, such as campaign settings, ads, ad groups, keywords, audiences, assets, locations, and budget and bidding. Step 3. Make your changes. Click the pencil icon or edit the fields directly. Common changes include keywords, headlines, descriptions, landing page URL, stuff like that. Step 4. Save your changes. After editing, click Save or Save New Version for ads. If you edited an ad, Google creates a new version and sends it through review again. Step 5. Review your campaign. Verify that your changes were applied, the campaign is still enabled, and that there are no policy nor approval issues. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.